Okay, we're here in Tahi Resort in the island of Guimaras. We just had of the lighthouse on the other side of the island. So this is their rate. Tahi Beach Resort entrance fee. So we'll go down. Haba. Yung lighthouse is on the left side, no? Elevated portion of the island. I'm checking kung ano yung orientation niya. It could be facing yung open sea. Kasi unang panahon kasi mga pirates. But yung sloping natin dito, if you observe, mataas talaga siya. I'll go down here. Ayan, malinis dito. No, the beach is clean. Going down. Ayan, malinis, no? So this is Tahi, no? Beach Resort. Akyat yan, ha? And ito na yung almost ground level. Wow, maganda, oh. So instead of doon kami sa mga commercialized areas, no, yung Alibuhud Beach Resort, ang dami masyadong tao. We're going here, cleaner, more pristine beach area. You need a vehicle lang. Entrance fee, Tahi. Parang reverse ng Thai, no? Tahi. Tahi Beach Resort. Entrance. Magkano entrance nila? 50 pesos. Okay. Ang ganda ng kwan doon, ba? Doon, no? Picture, oh. Okay. Ay, sorry. Tagpila entrance ta? 50 pesos.